SoCal, Delta 1049 is with you, climbing through 1.85.
Delta 1049, SoCal departure, radar contact, clear direct PV, climb maintain 12000.
Direct TV up to 12000, Delta 1049.
Skywest 3365 as you make your northbound turn, traffic 8 miles northwest of your position. Descending eastbound is a Boeing 737 out of 11,000. They are restricted above you.
Traffic suspended, Delta 1049.
Hill Kobe, cleared visual bridge, remain 2, full range.
Skywest 4003, 1,500, climbing 5,000, heading 230.
Skywest 4003, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain
500.
12000, do not exceed 250 knots.
I maintain 12000,
400. 300.
891, contact LA
300.
190.05.
Minimums.
Delta 1049, contact departure,
Minimums.
34.35.
3435, Delta 1049.
200. 200.
Hawaiian 34 Heavy, reduce speed to 180. Sure 128.75.
2875, Delta 1065,
50. Retard. Retard. 80 knots.
Heavy, turn right heading to T0, cross Kobe at or above 2,200, cleared, I left 24, red bridge. Heavy, speed 170 until Kobe, contact tower now 133.9, good night. Hawaiian 34 Heavy, turn right heading 160, advise airport site.
Ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we'll be ready for departure. So all your mobile phones and electronic devices should be switched off. Please make sure your seatbelt is not fastened.
Visual bridge, runway 2, full range. Hawaiian 34 Heavy, traffic in your rollout will be straight ahead, United out of 4,000 on the south complex straight in. You are cleared visual bridge, runway 2, full range.
Departure was Jet 31, climbing through 1,000.
Or less. Departure radar contact. 6, descend to maintain 3,000. The 1049, contact LA Center 119.905. Until Kobe. 1049, affirmative. Hawaiian 34 Heavy, contact tower 133.9, good night. Bianca 083 Heavy, climb maintain 17,000, do not exceed 280 knots. 280 knots.
Wait, go under the name, thank you.
Skywest 4003, contact LA Center 119.905.
Delta 2152, 1,700 climb in the other 5,000.
Delta 2152, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb via Summer 2 departure.
Climb via the Summer 2 departure, Delta 2152.
Bianca 083 Heavy, fly heading 130.
Name heading 130, Bianca 083.
SkyWest 3355, turn right heading 160, advise airport in sight. SkyWest 3355, cleared visual approach runway 2, full right. Alaska 866, reduce speed 180. SkyWest 4875, descend maintain 3000.